You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by.
All right, Chad. Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions, baby. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Round 3 for the New York sessions. Time to go. Chris, how you doing, bro?
I'm doing. You know how we're doing. We haven't stopped. You had your call with your guys. I had my call. We were planning the content. We're getting some of that content out. I think it's looking good. I think the guys are going to be pleasantly surprised. But
nah, it's all coming together nicely. Yeah, going to be an interesting one here today, guys. We really are starting to step a lot up here. Maybe you could even say we've maybe been a little bit distracted from actually the trading, but we're doing a little bit of the behind the scenes work and everything like that. But it is time to get ready to go. 1 minute snipers incoming. You know it. We're going to get ready.
wait. Before I forget, now that you say that, let me just get my accounts open here. Yo, Chad. This is where we're gonna need that split screen. So you're gonna see my chart and Keegan's chart. So you're not gonna miss anything.
Yeah, this is gonna be rough.
Little firecrack.
This is gonna be rough. But Chad, before we get ready to do that, Chris, you know what to do, bro. You gotta open us up here with some prayer.
All right, guys. Another day. Potentially another dollar. But let's see. So let's close our eyes, keep it open, just as long as the posture of your heart is in the right place. But Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us with another day. Thank you for keeping us safe. Thank you for bringing each and every viewer back safely as well. And again, thank you for the ability to do what we love. We pray that you will guide us, that you will lead us into all truth, that you will give us wisdom. Help us to make good decisions here today. Help us to bring glory to your name. And then every good thing that comes from your hand, Father, I pray that we will give the honor and the glory unto you, that we will not try and steal that glory for ourselves, as we are still proudful human beings that need your grace and mercies every single day as we walk out our days here on earth. Father, I pray this. I pray that you will send your angels. I pray that your angels will form a hedge of protection around us, around this office, around everybody in this office, everybody hearing our voice here. Father, I pray that you will send a hedge of protection. I pray that you will make every hill flat in front of us, every obstacle become flat in front of us. And I pray this and I ask this not because we deserve it, Father, because we don't, but purely because of your grace and your mercy through Jesus Christ. Amen. Amen.
Amen. There we go, Chad. We are locked and loaded and ready to go. So before we do anything, I think there is quite a bit of some news coming out today, guys. So we're going to jump right into the fundamental side of stuff and see what we have coming up. So obviously we had employment cost index come out a little bit lower over there, 345. We've got Chicago PMI coming out. They are expecting a drop, quite a big one, so that's going to be quite interesting over there. If I remember correctly, a previous PMI actually was a big miss. We thought Keeks, it was going.
What did your ADP come out? Because FX Street's not showing anything.
Why?
The ADP employment.
0.9.
Oh, 122. Sorry, man. I'm talking about the ADP employment change for July. Came out 122 ADP.
I'm not seeing it. Oh, there. 122. Sorry, I didn't see that there.
Right.
Yeah, 122. So also a big miss there as well. Obviously, as I said, guys, if I do remember correctly, normal PMI, we actually were saying our PMI used to always be the funny one for the dollar. We thought it would come out higher, and even that one was actually a miss big time. So very good likely chance we are going to see this miss come out here today with Chicago PMI. Then home sales, again, 1.4 increase, I think, this month. And then what else? We have FOMC tonight. So again, obviously Project G members, we will have our watch party, having you guys locked and loaded and ready for that one. But let's take it over to the charts. What are we looking for? So very simple, guys. We are definitely bearish now. We spoke about this being the fake out over here. Again, taking the true move over here, big bearish move. We spoke about it coming all the way back down, 103.450. That was literally this morning we spoke to you guys about it. And DXY has just been going one way. Obviously, we can see it trying to have a little bit of a comeback over here, around about 10.45, coming all the way aggressively back up to that zone, then coming back down. I don't know, guys. These gray blocks seem to be magic. There's some voodoo over here. I don't know, but trying to break through, big rejection, hold it under Asia lows, and then just melt it away after that. Literally around the corner from here in that 103.450, but definitely bearish on the dollar. With NASDAQ, we spoke to you guys about this. This is literally the area we want to look at. Very big bullish move, all the way back up to this level of resistance. Now on the 4 hour, you can see over here. Again, quite a few guys, Project G, even my members, we all spoke about how these type of levels play out. So already, you guys should already know what you can anticipate coming out of this. We've got some nice little weak areas here, and as we always talk about, the 3 golden touches. So we are at the weekly pivot, and 2 things are always most likely to happen. You either trade to the pivot, to trade away from the pivot. Now that we are here, where are we going to go? It's the middle of the week. What are we going to see going into the rest? But again, for me, pretty much a nice bullish move, because we've seen this with USD, and as I said, NASDAQ eventually going to have to play catch up. So USD giving us this yesterday, big move. Obviously, this was the range we broke out of yesterday. You can see this little high area, big push, 4 hour coming back into their previous weekly high. Nice strong test, turned it going bullish. So we want to see that continuation. Same as NASDAQ, up to the next level of resistance. Ours is marked out perfectly over there with the weekly R1. So that's obviously what we're going to be looking at here. On the 15, again, nice big move over there. We know the EQ, the daily pivot in the middle of the Asia range. So that also always tells us we can anticipate a massive day on the charts. TP clown, you mean? I don't know what this browser going on about. I don't know. I'm missing something in the chat, I think. But yeah, guys, we've seen that move back down now, holding that previous weekly high, trading bullish. We just want to get above the previous daily high. Once we can hold that again, say target that zone, where again we can either look for those moves to the backside or again back to the top. So we're going to see what happens over there. And then with gold, guys, very, very simple. We spoke about this. This was the level we want to see us trade up to. We traded there, been holding this level this morning. And I said to you guys, big thing. 4 hour, not only 1 and 2. We've only had a closure above here, holding this level. So for me, again, going into it, good chance we're going to see a nice bullish move away from this level. Obviously, if we do start breaking below, I'll only consider the sells if we get back under the previous daily high. I'll start considering the sells. Again, you can see still a massive move then all the way back down to where the EQ. And again, this is all almost 2400 psychological level and even 2394 we can see on the cards. But that's going to want to be pretty much everything I'm looking at there. US30 sell Keegs. I'm going to look now, brother. I haven't even looked. Then I'll confirm for you guys what the 222 strat is showing us today. But in the meantime, over to Chris.
222 strat Keegs. Look here. The way I see it. Check.
Yeah. Okay, guys,
But
it is.
But I don't agree. I don't know.
I think. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put this out there ready. It says when you look for sells, if this thing opens up like it did yesterday, I'm not selling. Then I'm buying.
Oh, that power pop.
If that thing just
Power
drives,
pops. Okay.
then I'm not gonna sell it. Then I want to test the theory in the theory.
All right, Chad. I haven't peed yet. I promise I will pee for us before the open, or even straight after the open. But Chad, yeah, for the guys that went here this morning, we were bearish on the dollar. We said we were clearly bearish. If we stay below the previous daily low, please go and check this morning's analysis. It was something. It was a thing of beauty when we drew that little gray box there. And price just rejected it. And previous daily low, power, Project G guys, please go and check that PDF shared weeks ago. Keeks, we should actually just put that also under the announcement section somewhere. Yeah, Chad, we are dying down here. It's a case of where do we go from here? There's another little gray box there. What is that gray box? Okay. I don't know why this gray box is here. Maybe that was the level that I was monitoring. But yeah, looking at it now, next level of potential support is at 103.32. Interesting that we are making moves on FOMC. Again, Chad, be very careful. This daily can literally pull all the way back up to here. FOMC tonight, Powell. We're going to talk a little bit about the FOMC prep tonight. So I'll chat about it after the skirmish with the 222. All right, I'm going to tell you some scenarios to look out for during the presser, and you guys will be ready. US30, okay, beautiful. Very, very weird. Very this Chad, this is just weird. This here is, I don't know what that is. It's ugly. This daily candle today will give us a little bit more direction. I'm not a fan of that price action there on the daily. 5 minute has been pretty clean. If you go these three zones we talked about this morning, if you were trading in and between them, great. But we said if we can break the previous daily high, we can go potentially to the daily R1, then the previous weekly high. Okay. Very, very simple for me now. Into the session is the daily R1. Okay. This level here. That's all I'm focusing on for the rest of the session. NASDAQ. All right. This is called the smash play. If you don't know what the smash play is, go onto the Discord. Let me just find Discord here quickly. Please go to education. All right. Please go. No, it was under. Sorry, Chad, we've got time, yeah. Keeks, we've got time, eh?
Yeah.
I just wanna. Chad, where did I? But I put it under announcements. I think I maybe dropped it in here. Give me 1 second, Chad. I do want to find it. It's a very good book. Did I put it under books? Do we have a book section?
We do.
Do we have? But I don't think anything. Oh, we have. No, it's only. Chad, anyways, please go and check. It is Larry Williams. I did share it. I know for a fact. There's it. Right there. Education. Larry Williams, long-term secrets to short-term trading success. Do me a favor. If you claim to be serious about your trading, please go and read this. It's a beautiful read. You're going to enjoy it. It's only 256 pages. I'm actually going to read it again. A lot of value. But anyways, that is the smash play. For a candle to do this, to come and break a previous high, it is very likely this thing is going to explode higher. Okay? It's not me that says that. It's the man himself, Larry Williams, that still holds the record for the Robins. 11,300 and something percent futures.
That is
okay.
wild, bro.
Daily R1. What did we say this morning? If we hold the daily R1, very likely we're going to daily R2. Weekly pivot up here. So we've got some 2 levels to monitor on NASDAQ. Is it NASDAQ or NASDAQ? Don't let the stop losses deck you out. And then gold. All right, gold. Gold, what are you doing? Chad, I don't even know what gold is doing here, but gold is not doing anything. Believe it or not, Chad, I took another position this morning. Straight after the stream. Took another young buy ski there. I'll show you now. Moved stops to break even there. Wait. Where did I edit it? Anyways, moved. Oh, there. Stops moved to break even. It was this trade. Yeah, I just want to show you guys. It was this setup here. Right here. So straight after the stream, we closed like this, and I said, Keeks, am I a DJ for taking it? Keeks said no. I said, okay. Waited for the bottom wick. Beautiful. Took the break there. Moved stops to break even. If you guys can tell me why. Why do I think I moved the stops to break even? There's the white line still. That was the session high. That was the London session high after the open. So usually we expect either to a reversal or a continuation. So as soon as we broke that, went break even. And we took a break even. So yeah, that is me. Going into the session, gold is struggling here. I'm going to be very honest with you.
Bro, just look at yesterday.
Okay. Okay, gold, I'm going to be very honest with you. It's chalked. The 80 is still bullish if you look at the overall direction. I still want to buy. The question is still, can we hold above here? That is the thing. Otherwise, I'm not going to force anything. But Keeks, that is me.
Hey, let's get it, Chad. Yeah, the triple strat looking good. Resin gold has not been moving. It's consolidating, but I'm bullish on gold with the 1 hour time frame. Keeks, what is USD for the triple two today? It is a sell. It's a sell, and it is. Oof. But it is a sell, so it's not game over yet for us. We're gonna see what happens. But we are locked and loaded. Chris, where's the horn, brother?
Oh yeah.
Before we,
I would have. I don't know now. Now I'm completely conflicted. Like, yeah, I don't know, Chad. But I'm gonna follow it, Keeks. I'm following the.
you gotta stick it out.
Wait. Okay, sorry, Chad. Sorry, man. Okay, but just tell me though,
Yeah.
because
No,
I'm
no, I
still
will.
not. Yeah.
But yo, guys, we are ready to go. Markets open. Round 6. Let's go.
Are the markets open?
Markets are open.
Ooh, little fire.
We are ready, guys. We're going to tell you if we enter. As always, US study, you guys know 1 minute time frame, baby. But
Yo.
we're going to let you guys know when
Yo.
we enter. We are looking
Fire
for sales. For sales, guys, but we are not in.
Yo.
Yo, this is going to be close,
Bro,
Chris. I
I
couldn't enter, guys. I'm not in.
No,
I'm
no,
not
don't
in.
close. It almost closed above.
It
eh?
almost,
Yeah.
bro. But we're not in yet, Chad. We are not in yet. We will let you know the minute we
Firecrackers.
are.
Bro, my heart rate's even pounding a little bit.
We're going to let you
Whoa,
know.
okay. If it closes like this, firecrackers.
Oh. Oh.
So we're selling for real, my bro. Yeah.
Yes, bro.
This feels wrong, my
It
dude.
feels
But, yeah,
wrong, but-
Chad, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to place my stop quickly enough. How big is that range? This is a firecracker range. Yo.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Not the most fun, yeah.
Okay.
It's not a very place I
Okay.
feel comfortable selling from, but
Chad, get ready. I'm going 60 point stop
Yeah.
because I add.
okay, Chad. 3,
2,
2,
1. I'm in.
1. We are in.
Oh, yes.
We are
Let
in
me just
sales.
put my. Bro, why's my heart rate so high? Firecrackers.
So there. Remember, Chad, if it is comfortable, we can obviously scale it in. But we are going to see,
Bro, how's your my heart rate is chalk, my
bro,
bro.
this thing,
Firecrackers.
it plays with us, bro. This thing's like, are we going to let the boys have a win today? Do they deserve a win? What are we going to do
I don't know
here?
if this coffee is good for my heart rate, but
Yo,
firecrackers.
thanks so much.
Crackers, thank you so much. Crackers
Yeah.
are fire. Whoa.
This is rough, Chad. That is rough out
When
here.
you said a range break, didn't you maybe mean like it first need to break above and then below? Or
No.
anyway.
Anyway.
Hey, I actually want to add another position, but
Come on.
not yet. Yo.
Yo, bro.
Okay, wait. I'm
Now this
almost
thing's
Chad.
like,
Chad, almost. Wait. Okay, Chad. Oh, yeah.
bro, I'm not out. I like just
No,
survived.
no, no.
that.
So I added a position where I got slipped, Chad. Shibbit.
I'm still in, Chad. I don't know how, but I'm still in.
No, I got slipped on my second position. Oh, my sack.
All right, there I'm out, Chad.
Okay,
I
got nuked, my bro.
Did you?
No. So that thing was so volatile. I got slipped. So Chad, here's my thing. Let me just show you. I can actually show you guys. So let me just bring this across, Chad. So look at this. So I take the middle of my first position.
You still
And
in?
yeah, remember I go 60 points.
Oh, yeah, you got the. you
So
stayed
I
in it.
take the middle. So as soon as this candle hit that level and I clicked sell again, I got filled here. All right. So I'm technically a little bit in trouble here. I was supposed to be filled there, the stop there.
Shoo.
So I don't know, firecrackers here. And then also what I need to do is I need to adjust my take profit level from there. Actually, it needs to be 60 points. Yeah, I see this is going to be skewed now, Chad, because yeah, I'll even just once I get to 1% bag it and tag it. Maybe close. Okay, this thing is too quick, my bro. It's
That's fast, bro.
it is way too fast paced for me, Chad. Okay. But all things considered, we can go to that level. We can actually go way lower.
Yeah.
We can actually go way lower. But let's see, Chad. We can actually go there. Let's see what I can do there.
Check the man. Putting up a good fight here.
Fighting the good fight of faith. Yeah. Firecrackers, my bro.
This man's just like, guys, you don't give up.
Firecrackers.
You don't give up.
Just put it like this, Chad, so you can see what I do here. Firecrackers.
No, you got it, bro. You got it. It's keeping you in the game, though, eh?
Yeah, but here's my thing. I'm bullish on the day, bro. That's
Well, that's what I said. That's what makes it hard, bro. So even for me, like, I am bullish, and now it's like, yo, what do you do, bro? Because it makes it awkward.
Because here's my thing. Yesterday I was too slow. It was up 1.5%. Now it's up 0.5%. Do I lock it? Because the thing is, I can lock a 4% quick here today.
Yeah.
Like quick, like not even. Chad, it's almost 1%. Like what do I do? Do I let it? Oh, firecrackers. What do we do? Do I keep it a little bit, Keeks? Wait, Chad.
Yo.
Hold, Chad. Let's see. It's now at a level where it is aggressive. Chad, it is aggressive here. Things can go into firecracker mode soon. I'm gonna let you know. Ooh, Chad, here we go, baby. Is this the day? Is this the day the Lord has made, and we shall be glad in it? Come on, Chad. What are we doing here? Firecrackers. How do I bulk? Oh, my sack. How do I? Right. Okay. Chad. What am I doing? Let's just reduce the stops a little bit here. That thing again was almost 2%. I'm too slow. What am I? I'm way too slow, bro. I'm like,
Yo, bro.
it's holding that level, eh, Kicks? You seeing it? You seeing that level?
Yeah.
Chad, okay, this next 1 minute needs to break here. Otherwise, we're in trouble. Going from 1.8% to a stop loss today, I will cry. You will see physical tears in my eye if I go from a 1.8%. I don't even want to think about it. Let's think positive thoughts here. Positivity.
I was gonna say, yeah, just be positive.
Just
bro.
be positive. You rate positivity?
Positivity, bro. Positivity.
Okay. Positivity, Chad. We need to break this level. We need to get through this level. Okay. Do we have more data coming out?
You got PMI now at 4 or 345.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Come on, US3. Do the boys a solid here today. Do the boys a solid. 6 seconds. Okay.
Is it still holding it?
Bro, it's
what does it
still,
look like on the breakers
it's still holding. I'm checking. I've now actually marked it here. 1.8 again. Too slow. Come on. Ooh, it's holding that thing. Let's see.
So
What I will say though, Keeks, is if we can't break below here and we start breaking above here, I'll just kill it. Like, I'm not gonna. 1.8. Yeah, am I being greedy here? What do you rate? Do you rate?
nah, bro. I think it can run. If anything, I'd maybe take your top ones to be break even.
Yeah.
But I think it can run, bro.
Chad, let's see. 16 seconds. It needs to move now. Otherwise, I'm gonna close out manually. It's I'm giving it 8 seconds. 8, 5, 4, 3. Chad, I'm out. I could cry a little bit later, but here's my thing. Me and Keegan, we're looking at a certain level.
Yeah.
Keegs, would you not maybe add again here? I'm even thinking of re-entering. No, but remember,
you literally closed to re-enter.
yeah, but remember, crying. I'm crying inside. I'm crying a little bit.
I
Keeks.
told you
I'm
should just
crying.
not break even on it, bro.
I'm such a child, bro. I don't know what I'm doing, Chad. I'm such a little nooblet here.
Oh, that is just gonna run, bro.
Yo.
Yo, that is just gonna run, bro.
What time is that news?
3:45.
Okay, but you know what? I didn't follow the plan now.
What?
This what I did, yeah. That's not the plan.
No, yeah, that's not.
That's not, bro. That's me. Bro, so how did I go from? Sorry, Chad. How did I go from being up 1.8% to only locking in 0.8%? That is so cuck, my bro. I'm not gonna lie. That is. Anyways, Chad, that level we're looking at is the previous weekly high. That's why I'm saying it needs to break through that level. So it's not like we just do things for the sake of it. It's a previous weekly high level. It's a key level. And if we can't get below it, we are going higher. All right, Chad? So sorry for hijacking the things there, Keeks.
No, go for it,
All
bro.
right.
I'm still watching this play out for you. Like,
No, I'm out.
my only thing is, bro, if you had to re-enter, I would re-enter on a buy.
Huh?
Because exactly what we're talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, because it's holding it.
It's holding it, bro. And we are bullish on the day. If I had to re-enter, I'd re-enter as a buy. That's...
Yo. No, but that's not what the strat is calling for, though.
No, 100%. It's not what
Yes,
the
and
strat
while
wants.
we were talking cuck here, look at gold. My goodness, Chad.
What did gold do?
No, gold ripped, bro. There's that bars we were looking for.
Yeah.
Keeks, bro. Are we DJs if we enter those cells? If it breaks below.
On yesterday. Oh, what are we talking about?
Yeah, US 32 seconds. Bro, I
don't
wanna...
feel like,
Huh? Okay, no, it's too late. Don't do it. Yes, bro, I didn't follow the plan. I was weak. That was weekends for me. That was... Look at it.
That thing is moving, bro. I told you just go break even.
No, you don't, bro.
Chad, did I
Nah,
not
I'm
tell him to
kidding,
go break
bro.
even?
I'm scarred. Yesterday scarred me. I could have just gone break even.
That's what I said. Just go break even.
I could have just gone break. There's 4%.
There's the TP
There's
there,
4%. Chad.
I said just go break
Chad,
even,
you.
bro.
Sorry, man. I haven't even read the chat. I'm weak hands. That was. There's the TP smacked. That's literally where I said it. That was 4%. That was 4% done and dusted. And Keeks knows why I went. Chad, this thing
I'm
can even.
at the 1 minute after I enter again. We spoke about it, bro.
Bro.
We did talk about it.
So my average in her.
Hey.
Okay, technically. Okay. Okay, but it works, Keeks. Okay, Keeks, I'm going to be honest now with you. I'm going to be very honest with you. And you can please take it on the chin well. Forget the 30-point stop, please. I'm saying this very politely.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times the 30 pip stop has kept you out of the right. It literally, so go 60, add that extra position. Will you do that? Will you do that for me?
Well.
Just for 1 week, and you add 60 points.
Well, we'll do it.
And
bro.
you add that extra same size. Chad, but some of you, if you had some diamond hands there, you were looking solid. So, Keek, somebody took a W. I know a lot of guys take the 60 points. or the 60-point stop like I do. Chad, somebody got caught it. First time I've ever seen Chris get irritated with the trade. Dylan, bro, I'm so... Here's the thing. And this is exactly the function of the market, is to mentally mess with you. Because yesterday, we were a little bit too early for the sells, and then the sells happened a little bit later. Today, there I would have bagged the 4% there because that's where I put my TP. But again, it's fine. Bless Keegan's soul for bringing us the 222 strat, because the 222 strat has been absolutely incredible. I've only taken one loss with the 222 strat out of 4 trades.
Yeah.
So for me, the 222 has been incredible. I don't know for you guys as well. If you guys have been here with the 222 strat, I did say from the start, just make your stop 60 points. Take a little bit less profit. There are going to be times where US 30 will slow down again and we can bring it to 30. But at this stage, to make it that tight and miss out on a good trade, I don't think it's worth it. And this was a stunning trade. I only caught 0.8. I don't know why I'm crying. I caught 0.5, 0.6. Okay, 0.6% instead of 4%. But yeah, Chad, it is. Keeks, again, thank you for, I don't know, thank you for the strat. I feel like there's still, I feel like we're going to have some very good days ahead of us. Some big days here in the office. Because now it's going to go to Asia Highs, Keeks. Easy. Yeah. Asia Highs. That was the... Oh, beautiful. If you're still in it, at least lock something. Don't be greedy. Don't be an idiot. All right, but I got my dose of the firecracker. Bro, are you going to call it the firecrackers?
Bro, but you know my thing is, that's the thing about the strategy. It's
can't be emotional.
You can't be, and that's the thing. We said we didn't like it. We don't like that move. And then look at it.
No, we're gonna have to be mechanical. You can't. I got a little bit emotional. I'm honest. I was. Chad, here's the thing. I don't believe in R&D trades like R&D. I'm taking this live. I back the trades. I back the strategy. Keegan wants to do more on it, but I've already seen it. Keegan's gone from a phase 1 to a phase 2. I've seen enough for me to say I'll take it. If I win, lose, whatever, there's value in it. I do, however, think yesterday. And then obviously taking a loss this morning with gold as well. So I am a little bit jittery. I haven't taken this is the first win for the week. So you obviously a little bit, you bruised. You took one on the chin. You wanna just get, break the strike. In cricket, you guys would know if a batsman is on strike, you just want to at least get a run.
Yeah. No, exactly, yeah.
No. Mechanical is not set and forget, Plamena. Mechanical is when there is set processes and boxes that need to be ticked. So if A, B, C, and D happens, you execute. Set and forget is not mechanical. Set and forget is when you try and switch off your brain to all external factors and you want to switch off the lights as well. So that is set and forget. Mechanical, process driven, not based on any subjectivity or discretionary inputs from yourself. All right. I hope that makes sense, Plamena. We still love you, and we will not overtrade you today. I hope you overtraded while it was pushing up, because you would then be smiling here today. Jono, your Dale US 30 is like literally riding a bull. I told Kiggs this is my new little rush in the afternoon. Like my heart rate gets pumping. It's like it's moving. I enjoy it.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm trying to sort something out here quickly. I'm gonna be with everyone now shortly. But again, like I'm just looking at it, like it really felt uncomfortable, but like there's your TP.
Yeah,
And like you said, like if you had the biggest stop, so you do a 60, so you run the 60, and all you did is technically this one you would have actually re-entered again there. So you would have 2 entries there.
Beautiful.
And
you would have had
and
2
then
stunning.
Bang.
So are you sold on the 2 entries?
Yeah, bro. I don't have a thing like fight in it. So
Plamena, sorry man, Keys, I just want to show Plamena again. Just because a strat tells us something, we cannot ignore key levels. A previous weekly high is a major level, and on the 1 minute, it was holding that level. So at any stage, could that thing just pump to the upside? So again, that's why I was looking specifically at this level, and I said if we can break that level, I'm happy. Trade can go down. All right. So, yeah, there's. Anyways, let's keep it moving. Chris, yesterday's trade with the market structure, you explained same thing today. Yes, exactly. But beautiful chat. I know somebody ate here, Kiggs. You need to chat to the guys.
nah, bro. Someone was still in that, bro.
Gold. Yes. Possible. I'm looking at gold. There's that daily R1. There is 24.25. I'm literally just waiting to see what we're gonna do here. So yeah, I am looking at gold. Don't worry, I'll alert you guys. I'm looking all over. Sorry, man, I haven't even gotten to the chat yet.
Yeah. All right. Okay, guys, we're gonna lock in a bit, as I said. Unfortunately, I'll just do something quickly. But we got focus gold giving the bars off that zone we wanted. Nah, I'm still on you. Actually, Keegan has seen my account.
Bugatti, no, bro, I'm 100%. There's nothing wrong with the trading. All my stuff is process driven. The 222 strat is obviously Keegan's baby. I'm just along for the ride, so just having a little bit of fun with it. So don't think I get emotional. If you've taken the losses I've taken in life, very little will get you emotional. All right. A young $5,000 or $10,000 loss is not gonna make me in the slightest bit emotional. All right. So trading, I'm past the stage where I get emotional in trading. I'm still gonna experience emotions. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that I'm now a robot and I don't experience emotions, but trading, yeah, I'm past the stage where a lot of guys still need to get through, where it's an emotional thing. They still have a journey to walk.
Yeah.
No, Niza, the strat is you guys don't actually. We just give the direction, but
No, the strat isn't there for you
nobody
guys.
nobody will get the strat.
The only the only person, and I can happily say this. So if anyone else tells you anything, they're talking shit. The only person that knows the strat is Chris. And that's because that's my brother. Of course, I'm going to tell him. But other than that, nobody else knows how the strategy works.
We'd love to see you execute trades like Tom. Hey, bro, Tom is. I love Tom. How do you mean execute? Like Tom, Chad, Tom, Bugatti would know. Tom has got a very simple strategy. He's got his
Does
school
he
run
mean that,
strat.
does he execute it like just on the terminal? Like that's the only thing I can think is different. Do you want to see like the terminal when we trade in, or what do you want to see us execute? Yeah, Chris, that is so true. There's a difference between getting emotional and experiencing emotion while
Yes,
trading.
yes.
I know, bro. We always actually talk about this as traders. We like, you know what? It's you actually got to be very emotionless to control, to not have emotions when you trade. But funny enough, even for me, bro, it's harder to control your emotions when you're in profit than comparing it to when you're in a loss. When you're in a loss, I can keep it cool. You can do that. But when you're in a profit, bro, you enjoy it. It's a winning trade. You know that's some money you're making. Like, that's funny enough harder to control your emotions.
Chad, I'm still figuring out. I started trading a 222 strat last week Thursday. It was a Wednesday, Thursday.
Right.
Literally Thursday. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm still figuring this shit out for myself. I've seen Keegan take it. I've seen Keegan win. I've given my little 2 cents on it. I've taken 4 trades, like I said. So I'm still figuring it out. I'm still getting to see. Listen, this works. This doesn't work. But I'm excited. So what you're seeing now is me being excited because I can honestly see us doing very well. And when I say us, all of us here.
Don't
So
look at USD, Chris.
I'm looking at it right now.
Oh.
I'm looking at it. I'm
Right,
looking
and
at
you know
it.
the problem is now when we take our normal analysis and you apply it, Asia lows are untested. That's going all the way for Asia lows.
No, the thing is,
They haven't even taught me the strat, guys, and I work with these bastards now. I missed 120 pips in yesterday. Had a short idea. My solemn is never placed because of my network today. So sad, but still hella excited for this month. You know, guys, that's the thing. We're talking about NFP week in general. So
Yeah,
it's
it's
a tough week.
Tough.
But you know what? If I can happily say Monday, 100%, I got a haircut. There was nothing. There was no 2 ways around that one. Yesterday, I wouldn't say we were wrong. We were right. We saw
Were
that
early.
we identified where exactly it was going to happen. We just entered it early. And today,
But again, we didn't break the rules. Though.
Yeah.
The rules were so. Yesterday was one of the days where it didn't
so
work out.
yesterday I can argue a bit. But
And
today,
it literally missed
nothing
my
wrong.
TP yesterday. So if you do what
Yeah.
I do, you would have technically yesterday should have been a break even day.
Yeah.
But that's why I'm saying we will build the rules, and we're still playing. We're still in the game. I can promise you, I'm very excited for what the strat has produced already. Considering that a lot of people that trade US30 have been clapped this month.
Yeah.
And this strat has done phenomenally. It's done absolutely incredible. So
Yeah. No, 100%. So it really isn't bad.
there you go, Bugatti. That's why I said if somebody says their strategy has got a 50% win rate, think about this. You can just say every time it gets there, I'm going to sell, for instance. And you can go for a 1 to 2 R, and technically it should be profitable. So if that person that went, that's got a 50% win rate, every time he buys, you can even sell, because by the times that he lose, you will win.
Right. Please read Chris, Carl's comment.
US30 has humbled even the alphas. Oh my god. Who's the alphas? Is that the Alfa Romeo team? What are you talking about, Carl? Do you guys think we are ready? No, Alian. That's the thing about the 222.
The thing is, keep in mind, so the
triple-
222 can have pullbacks. That's the problem. Like, that is the problem with the 222. You can't full margin that.
Ryan
Tomorrow
Smith.
I'm getting my daughter to trade the US30 strat and tell her just to set the TP and stop loss. I'm walking the dog my ways.
That is one way to do it, Ryan. No, it's here's my thing, my brother. Here's my thing. It's not about trusting your call. Again, I don't trust anybody's call. I trust my own call. Okay. If you tell me that you selling based on A, B, and C, that is
I'm gonna be an eye
okay.
action.
That is you. So it's not about trusting your call, this or that. It's about me following my plan. If I had to trust everybody's call in the chat, where do you think I'll be? So again, that's why I say it's nothing personal. If you were selling here this morning or wherever, beautiful. That was not in my plan. I just trade my plan. I just trade what I've known to trade. It's nothing personal. Again, like I said, there's no right or wrong. I just trade what I see, and I've traded it for many years. So but no, well done, Stamai. If you still in it, beautiful. If you out through that, beautiful. Like I said, if we cannot hold previous daily highs, I said we go into the daily R1. If we can't hold the daily R1, I said we go into the Asia highs. Previous weekly high. If we can't, we had our call today with the Ultimate Trader members, and I said price will just go from level to level. So this was that level we were monitoring. So if it can't hold this level, now it will go to the next level, which is the daily EQ. So price will just move in and between these levels. That's how simple trading is. That is literally how simple trading is. Price will move from zone to zone, and you don't have to overcomplicate it. Just find your bias and stick with that. Dylan, I'm also bullish, believe it or not. I'm also bullish. The only thing for me is this entire formation here on the daily is just ugly. I don't like this formation. Yes, yeah. No, it's the my. That's why I say it's not that I don't even trust myself sometimes. I don't trust you, or if that is your plan, you do what you must do. Okay.
What happened now?
No, Stemai or Stefan did call the shorts this morning. I said I didn't trust him. I said, bro, it's not even about trust. That wasn't in my plan.
No, he did.
Yeah,
My
he
only
did.
thing is, so again, we always talk about there's, for us, we have a entry criteria. So my thing is just when we looked at this, technically when you were saying over to sell, there's no reason for me to sell there. But once you've done this, held it as support, pulled back, you've already failed to make new highs, and now the break underneath, then 100% I can be like, cool, we can sell. I can take an entry over there. Very aggressive, but if there, I would have got my first sell. And obviously you can see what happens. But yeah, I think it's just a thing of entry criteria. Obviously we traders, so we have different approaches. So you could have got in there for maybe you just have a certain criteria. Maybe it just hits a level you enter, however the case is. Where I know for Chris and myself, like, in the past, I used to be that guy where, yes, these gray blocks are magical, but like if we traded, if I just tapped it, I would be and have a sell limit. Like I could walk away from my PC and just have a sell limit there. And yes, there's times you get a perfect sniper entry and this thing tanks. But then there is the time you're on the wrong side, the day it's going to break that level and you go, ooh, I'm entered. And then that thing just takes you out.
Penetration.
So that's where I obviously started being more strict on entry criteria. So that's all that it is. What is DXY doing now? Oof, yeah, bro, just at that level. The bus is slowly coming to a stop there.
Bro, I'm very excited for this US30. Here's the thing. Okay, yeah. Let me not. I'm sounding now like a young child. I'm so excited. The US 30 strat. Woo. Andre, I don't know. Like, I think Keegan will trade. It's not like the EQ strat is thrown away. I think
No,
Keegan has just shifted the focus a little bit to the 222.
Yeah, so Andre, like I'm that actually confident in this strat now. So obviously we've been doing this, but obviously like I said to Chris, so when I was gonna test this one, obviously I'm not gonna spend big money on something I really don't see works. So obviously it's like someone asked me, but why did I get a 50k? And I mean a 50k is still not small, but like why would I do that? And even at this point already, I'm like the strategy works. The fact that it's doing this, if you stick to the rules, because the rules are there to protect you for risk management, then it 100% works. So I'm literally going to be getting probably another account. I'll probably just get another 100k again or something like that, now that I am confident in the strat. Because even I think in the long game as a trader, like Chris and I say, if you want to scale in, if you put in half a position, even making in the long game, as I say, you got to think of when the account's live. Making half a percentage, even if you hit TPs without getting the opportunity to scale in, you're still making $500, $1,000 profit. And if you are getting the opportunity to scale in, you're making $2,000-3,000 on a trade, which is awesome. So you literally need the strat to hit like twice, and then you can get a payout, like a good payout. So I definitely think I'll be doing a new account from fresh again. And then I think maybe we do that as a Project G thing. I'll get the account. That account we will have linked from day one. And then anyone that wants to do accounts, you just trade literally that trade with us. And that's all that account's going to trade.
No, I'm putting my own twist on it, and I'm calling it. Keegs can call his the 222. I'm calling mine the firecracker.
Firecracker. I'm such a child. See Dix 2024.
Chad, here's the thing. I still trading is very boring, believe it or not. As much as we love it, but when there's new little things we test like this, it's still
it makes it exciting again.
Yeah,
bro.
the thing that makes it exciting for me, Keegs, is the fact that the outcome is still unknown, and it's like still that thing of I don't really have that much data on it yet, and I think that's what's adding a little bit of a thrill to it. So even though a lot of us can say, oh, that's wrong, that is a resembling of gambling, it is definitely, because it's giving me the same adrenaline rush, but it's fine. It is still we're still gonna get our rules set.
Peter, sorry Chris. Peter, the thing is why it tanked is, yes, it came out positive. The only reason it's positive is because it's higher than they expected, but that's still lower than the previous month. So it's actually still a drop. But it's just not a drop as bad as what they thought it would be. But that is still a drop. That's why it's tanking.
Chat, there's all of the commands. I'm going to put it in a message as well. If you ever want to... let me actually do it now, chat. Sorry.
Guys, if I have open position, I've been holding, and we have FOMC tonight, will it breach my Vault Funder account? No, you can trade news events with Vault Funder. Just keys to give another confluency. We come with the overall low and about alright, what's the take on FOMC? Can you till now, or you're waiting for the formation? We have an idea of what we want him to see, but you have to literally wait for him to say it. So depending, like Chris and myself have said already, we have, for example, let's say outcome A and outcome B. He's gonna, depending on what he says, he's obviously gonna lead you to outcome A or outcome B.
Chad, I'm going to talk about FOMC now. I just want to quickly do those commands. Otherwise, I'm never going to get to it. So sorry, man. I'm just sorting out these commands first.
I like Firecracker, but T2 is also so street gangster.
The T2 strat. It's quite a...
But it came out of 4.8 last month, was revised to minus 1.9. Okay, well, yeah, that's what I'm just seeing on this side, brother. I've been testing strategies on my Vault Funder. I'm still on phase 1 3 months later. But now you see, King, so my thing is, the first thing I would say to you is there is some logic or positive to your theory that you're testing, because the fact,
You're
you know what,
still
you
in the
might be
game.
up and down. You've been in the game for 3 months. You haven't blown up. Keep in mind, guys will blow up a funded account in 1 week. So if you've been even in phase 1 for 3 months, there is some hope to what you're testing, the fact it's keeping you in the game. Not talking about PMI, I mean home sales. Oh, okay. Sorry, Peter. Yeah, I was talking about PMI, brother. Chris, what are the commands for? Those are all the commands that you can just send in the chat, and it will link you to things. So obviously the Chris will send you to Chris's Instagram, Discord to the Discord, Keegan is mine. Lots is how to work out your lot sizes. Prayer is to the prayer group. Prop is a trusted prop firm. Stocks is the stocks investing video, if I'm correct.
Yeah. That's the
tax is the tax video.
video.
And US30 is how to work out indices.
Sorry, Chad, I'm almost done. Thank you. Sorry, man. Here's the thing. Keegan will tell you, Keegs, that I stand up today from the spot where I'm sitting now.
Only to go to the toilet.
Yeah. Chad, I'm literally locked in here.
I guess this week, Chris and myself have been locked in.
Chad, we have been locking it in here.
Yeah, so that's the thing. Maybe don't test multiple, So, Ed, what you're saying there, if you're going to use an account. So, personally, I actually really like testing on a prop firm account, because obviously you're not physically putting money on the line that every loss it takes, you physically losing money. You've got your initial...
It gives you some margin to test. And there's some weight to it. Like, you're not just
if it works, you are going to get a reward at the end. But 100%, if you have a strat you're testing, you got to test one strat, because otherwise you're going to mix your data. So it's all about data collection at the end of the day.
I can't believe I waited so long to do this. Nighbot Commands. Chad, what is the shortcut to bold? Is it Control B? Oh, there we go. There we go. We are done. We are done. Check the description. Was it Tissy?
Oh, bro, by the way, gold. You were asking me what the move was for this morning, eh? That big move this morning on gold.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah. What was it?
Geopolitical tensions.
Oh, yeah, I saw Iran. Yeah, that leader from Hamas.
Yeah. Israel took responsibility for the one murder.
Okay, Chad. Sorry, man. Shortcut. Alien. Yeah. Alt plus F4. That is such an online game troll. Wheel. Hey, Alien. Naughty. Chad. Chaderio. EQ Strat also delivered now. Literally now. That EQ Strat. Do you see it delivering?
Yeah. Bro, these strats they're powerful things, guys.
So here's the thing. No entry criteria for me on the 5. There was the break above. There was the retest. So this candle is literally going to close here above, which is still valid. But look, we at a weekly R1. We almost at the 24.30. Just makes it a lower probability play. I've been looking for the buys the entire morning. It was choppy. Anyways, so right idea, right bias, beautiful. But Chad, let's quickly talk about FOMC tonight. So we have Powell on deck. Okay, here's the thing. Listen up, listen closely. The actual minutes, or not the minutes, the actual report you're going to get when Powell actually comes on and he starts speaking, that information is already known, okay? So when the markets move, guys are like, oh, it's moving. Powell is talking. Powell is literally reading from a piece of paper that was released 30 minutes before he actually speaks. So he's literally reading that thing. So he's reading it, and we already know what is in it. Okay, so don't think like, oh, it's moving this, that. No, you're an idiot then. The actual event is a non-event. There's no rate cut expected. Will they cut rates? No, because that will cause panic in the market, because why would they cut rates unannounced? Either the banks are failing or there's something fundamentally wrong, and that's going to spook the market. That's going to crash everything. So they will not do an emergency rate cut unless it's really needed. Okay. The big thing, big thing for the press conference. Nick Timmerhouse from the Wall Street Journal, the chickie from Bloomberg, and there's another chickie from what's the other one? No, I don't think it's Reuters, but there's two chicks. Sarah Brown, I think, is the one. Nick Timmerhouse, we all know Timmy. And then there's one other chick, but for the guys that will be on the watch party tonight, I will point them out. They are going to ask direct questions to Powell. They're going to want Powell to commit, physically saying with his mouth, we are looking at cutting rates in September. All right? They are going to force it out of him. They're not going to be happy with, oh, we're data dependent. We've got a dual mandate to bring down inflation and also create price stability in the markets. They're going to physically want to pull it out of him, okay?
Yeah.
The markets are going to be upset if Powell leaves the door open for September. Why? Come look here. Why are they going to be upset? Because look at that. They are already 86.2% sure of a rate cut September. They are already sitting at almost 60% for a November cut. They are sitting already almost at 60% for December rate cut. So they are leaning towards 3 rate cuts. If Powell comes out any little bit hawkish, we in for a shit show for the rest of the week, because then we go from everyone being like, oh damn, maybe there's not room for 3 rate cuts.
Yeah.
Maybe we were a little bit early. Let's just hedge our bets. But yeah.
Yeah, then it gets interesting very, very
But
fast.
anyways, that is my 2 cents. I don't know, Keegs. Keegs knows.
No, I'm pretty similar to
yeah.
that. For anything else, I want to first see what he's going to say tonight. But yeah, that is a pretty much summed up answer.
And if he does a lot of this, then we're in trouble. Then we're in trouble. I'm going to be honest. If he comes in with the purple tie, things are going to look good. Red tie, we are in for an horrific one. A grey one, relatively neutral. So I think, what do you rate? Purple tie? Let me see what the odds are. I think there's actually bets going on. What are the odds of a purple tie on J Powell tonight?
Is there anything?
I know. Someone asking. The purple is neutral, because if you think of the Democrats and the Republicans, red plus blue, purple. That's why I'm saying if it's red, I think it's going to go purple again. I don't think blue is just too. Blue is just way too aggressive. It will throw the guys off. Blue is just... Chad, you can go and check. Go check most of... go J Powell. J Powell press conference. And go see what tie he's got on. Bro, imagine it comes out with the young red tie kicks.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, you can see Chad for the most part. Sometimes it goes grey. Yeah, you can see that's like a grey purple. But for the most part, he loves the purple. The purple is people feel safe when it comes in. Yeah, it's like, ooh, this man there's business. There's business. But the purple is good. I think him being at the end, blue, yeah. But the man has aged, my bro. This is what
old, bro.
This is what being
That's the original market maker over there, bro.
bro. This man, right? Yeah. J Papa, JP,
Bro, that man's literally such an animated face, eh?
bro. But my thing is, I think he's got the most difficult job because think of it, big hedge funds being like, hey pal, listen here, all expenses paid. You've got the jet. It's literally standing at your nearest airport. Jump on. We've got the boys ready. Just tell us what's happening. Just give us a little bit of info. We don't want much.
Yeah.
Just tell us. Are we cutting? What are the boys saying? Just give us a little bit of info. Chad, there's big boys with big money that I can promise you that's trying to get to that man. That's chatting through channels like they know John and John knows Jay and all of them. It's like, okay, Jay, listen, yeah. Keegan phoned me. Obviously, at the end of your term as Fed Chair, they've got a little investment on the side for you. So I'm just saying, it's going to vest as soon as you're done here. Here's the agreement, off the record, completely offshore. We've ring fenced it beautifully for you. So J Papa is fighting a battle, Chad. That man is fighting to stay in the Lamb's Book of Life to get into heaven.
But yeah, brother, I don't know if
Yeah,
you're gonna
no,
sit long.
I'm
I
done.
need to actually call early today 'cause I need to obviously get home, get things done before we get ready for our call tonight.
No, I'm done. We can go
We can
full screen.
go
Yeah,
full screen. Yeah, guys, I think from literally tomorrow, then maybe we're gonna start locking in the new approach with the T2 strat, but we're gonna see what happens there. I think Chris is also officially hooked on it now.
No,
but
I'm locked in for it.
but it's showing it, guys. I think, as I say, technically it's not out of a testing phase yet, but it's definitely looking very, very promising. So we're gonna also look at it, regather stuff. A lot of stuff coming from Project G, guys. So I promise you, if you're not in there, you're gonna be missing out on a lot. There really is a lot coming for it. What time we meeting for FOMC? We can probably start like at 8, because then we can just.
No, I want to say it's too early. We
No,
can
but I'm saying we need to still do the NFP prep call. So I'm saying we start at 8. We can quickly run through NFP.
Oh, yeah, you're
and
right.
then
You're
we
right.
get
Sorry.
ready for
We can
FOMC.
start at 8. Yeah. We can
Yeah.
start at 8. No, sorry. I will also have my little spreadsheet. You guys
Yeah.
know my little
So
sheet.
we start at 8. We're gonna run through NFP first, and then go into FOMC, and then to end off FOMC when Powell's is talking cuck, then we're gonna do our giveaway for the Prodigy guys.
Yeah, tonight. So
Tonight's a busy one, guys. For the Prodigy
tonight.
members, make sure you're there. But yeah, Chris, any closing remarks there, brother?
No, I think like I told my guys as well. End of the month end flows. Big week FOMC. I feel like this week is much bigger than what a lot of you guys that don't really know about fundamentals really know. For instance, Bank of Japan. That's massive. That's fundamental. You literally seeing history happening right in front of you.
Yeah.
J Powell. We've been, so you guys have been with us in a hiking cycle. You guys have been now with us in a pause. The next phase of the trading is going to be a beautiful stage. It's going to be cuts. It's going to be the next big bull run we're going to enter. And a lot of you, and I want to warn you now already, that's where the name came from, Chris Market Bull, is that I was trying to short in a cyclical bull market. So take advice from me. And I said I will never ever short indices ever again. Purely from an investment perspective. Okay. So take it easy. month end this week. Take it easy. If you want to take the week off, take the week off. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be messy. You're not going to miss anything. The new monthly candle is opening up tomorrow. There's going to be a bottom week. There's going to be a flip on the monthly, all of that. So take it easy. The new month is coming, and it's still a baby.
That's it, guys. But yeah, then as always, Prodigy members, we're going to see you guys later on tonight. And as everyone else, we'll see you guys nice and early tomorrow morning, where we're going to talk about the results of Big Daddy Powell. But other than that, guys, look after yourselves, look after each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Seems to circle the other, and as you go you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about 4-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to, as I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Call
bullshit, man.
Oh my god. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot. Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
I think not. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot.
Hey, yo, who made it?
I think not. Oh my.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than